I am worried about, meaning I feel anxious or concerned about something. Example, I am worried about my final exam tomorrow. I am afraid of, meaning I feel fear or a strong dislike towards something. Example, I am afraid of speaking in front of the large crowd. I am interested in, meaning I like something and want to know more about it. Example, I am interested in English literature and poetry. I am sorry to, meaning I feel sad or regretful about doing something. Example, I am sorry to disturb you so late. I am glad to, meaning I feel happy or pleased to do something. Example, I am glad to see you again after a long time. I am nervous about, meaning I feel anxious or uneasy about something. Example, I am nervous about my job interview. I am confused about, meaning I don't understand something clearly. Example, I am confused about what to do next. I am sick of, meaning I am tired of something and don't like it anymore. Example, I am sick of doing the same thing again and again. I am excited too, meaning I feel very happy and eager about something in the future. Example, I am excited to meet my best friend. It makes me plus adjective, meaning something causes a feeling in me. Example, this news makes me happy. It is plus adjective plus to plus verb, meaning used to describe an action. Example, it is important to practice English daily. It now use plus verb ing, meaning something is pointless or useless. Example, it is no use crying over the past. It looks like plus sentence, meaning it appears that something is happening. Example, it looks like it's going to rain soon. It sounds like, meaning from what I hear, something seems true. Example, it sounds like someone is knocking at the door. It turned out that, meaning the final result or truth is different than expected. Example, it turned out that the story was true. It is said that, meaning people say or believe something. Example, it is said that the hard work brings success. There is there are, meaning used to say something exists. Example, there are many students in the classroom. There used to be, meaning something existed in the past but not now. Example, there used to be a cinema here. There must be, meaning I am very sure something exists or is true. Example, there must be a mistake in this report. There's no way, meaning something is impossible. Example, there's no way I can finish this work today. Even if plus sentence, meaning something will happen despite the condition. Example, even if it is rain, I will go to the school. No matter what. Meaning, something is true in the all situation. Example, no matter what people say, follow your dream. The more. Meaning, those cause and effect increasing together. Example, the more you practice, the more confident you become. I wish I could. Meaning, I want something that isn't possible now. Example, I wish I could travel around the world. I bet. Meaning, I am confident something is true. Example, I bet he will win the match. I wonder why. Meaning, I am curious about the reason. Example, I wonder why this lesson is so difficult. I wonder if. Meaning, I am not sure and want to know. Example, I wonder if he remembers me. You are supposed to. Meaning, it is your duty or expectation. Example, you are supposed to finish your work on time. You seems to be. Meaning, it appears that you are something. Example, you seems to be happy with the result. All you have to do is. Meaning, something is very easy or simple. Example, all you have to do is follow the instructions. In next tutorial, I will bring you English speaking practice lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.